Today we have a CA8345 with us that we're going to be connecting at an incoming supply. The incoming supply itself is having triplen harmonics causing high neutral currents, so follow me. Next up, we'll be connecting the CA8345 at the LV panel on our right hand side. We're going to connect 5 voltage channels and also 4 current channels. The reason we're doing this is so then we can interpret the data and actually look at what harmonic order is causing this triplen harmonics. The heat that is caused by high neutral currents can potentially burn the neutral. Once we have a lost neutral, the potential is phase-to-phase voltages with any incoming supply. So it's vital that we mitigate this and identify what is causing it. One of the key features about the CA8345 is its ability to look at live waveforms, as we can see here. Not only that, it has the ability to capture and log that live data for harmonics, neutral currents and various other electrical parameters. The unit's been logging for a week now. We're going to plug it into a computer and have a look at the data and see what the neutral current is telling us. Now that we have the data on the laptop, we can analyse and have a look if there is high neutral currents. As we can see here, we have 199 amps on phase 1, we have 197 amps on phase 2, 207 amps on phase 3, but on our neutral line we've got 397 amps. So there is a harmonic issue on this site. So there's an overview of the CA8345 power quality analyzer. If you have any questions or would like a demonstration, email at info@chauvin-arnoux.co.uk.